Hi, my name's Keonia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a what I eat in a day video. About 5'1" for reference. I've lost about 15 pounds from about March of this year to about July of this year. This is a general idea of what I eat on a day-to-day basis. I just wanted to mention that I'm not a professional, nor am I a doctor, so I cannot officially recommend any type of dietary plan. So typically for breakfast, I'm not too hungry, so I'll just have a piece of fruit. I often like to start off my day with a piece of fruit because your body is able to process the sugar throughout the day. So then I just have some cold brew coffee, and then I'll add just almond milk to it. So this is an example of two sugar substitutes that I use. This one has more of a fruity taste. This one basically does not have a taste. So with both, you don't get that artificial sweetener effect. You'll get something that's a little bit more mild. The thing about these two alternatives, though, is that they don't increase your blood sugar levels like traditional sugar. So this would be a typical lunch or brunch. This is my version of avocado toast, so this would be with Ezekiel bread. I use olive oil for the pan to toast it. I'll top it off with 2 brown eggs over hard to make it easy. I'll top it off with guacamole. And then to my eggs, I like to add pink Himalayan sea salt, crushed red pepper and onion powder. And then occasionally I'll have either pork bacon or usually turkey bacon on the side. Typical dinner for me would be a chopped salad. So you can see I've already chopped up some salad in this bowl here. This is just a mixture of spinach and spring mix. I'm gonna add some mushroom to it. These are white mushrooms, a little bit of cheese, and then a little bit of turkey bacon for extra protein. And then my favorite part of the salad is this balsamic vinaigrette from Target. It's by the brand Good and Gather. And then I'll just top it off with this Izzy sparkling drink. Make sure that you give this salad dressing a good shake. So as you can see, this is a nice hearty salad. Sometimes I add shredded chicken, or I'll make marinated beef and add it to it. A nice vegan option is to add some tofu to the salad.